Hello, hello, my happy crafters. Guess what? The long-awaited package finally made it to its destination. And I have here a box full of goodies that I'm going to be opening up and looking at and sharing with you guys today. This is all for resin crafting and also other crafting. But we'll get into the other crafting a little later on. Let me just flip that over real quick. Alright, so the first thing on the agenda, I pulled out this box here. This is a 70-piece slime add-in kit, foam beads, fishbowl beads, rain, and unicorns. I think they made mermaids and unicorns. So, I can read, you guys. I'm going to fix that so you can see. That's them. Let's see, let's focus. See? Rain. That's what they said, not me. Alright, so we got this little box right here. And, oh my goodness. And I could totally alter this box as well. So we got a whole bunch of little goodies in here. This has all of these cute little unicorn girls and boys. Super pretty. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in so that you guys can see all the way through. Give me a second. Okay. So you have this one. Super cute. With green hair. And I'm totally going to have to make a mold with these because these are super adorable. Out of ice cream cone. Oh my goodness. And yes, basically a whole little handful of these. They're all the same. Yeah. So basically, well, this one's cute. This one has a little heart at the end. It looks like My Little Pony almost. So super cute. Right now it is right after my live, you guys. It's Saturday evening. Hopefully you tune in to watch that live. If not, definitely check that out. Sasson and myself, we had a lot of fun creating our very first scrapbook art journal pages, you guys. So definitely tune in for that. We also got this bag of Mermaid Tails. Isn't that pretty? These are all like UV resin. I'm going to be definitely making more of these. Super pretty. These just need like a little body to go with them. So, ideas. So we got all of that. Really, really nice. Then we have this bag of foam balls, which I just bought a bag of this at Dollar General or Dollar Tree, one of those dollar places. I just bought one of those, but we got another one. And then we got these little micro beads. This one I'm really excited about because I can use this like sprinkles on ice cream and stuff like that. For shakers, they don't really work too well because they tend to want to float. So, but they do kind of move around in there. But if you put this in a shaker, like they will all float to the top and be there unless you shake it. So, not so much for shakers, but definitely for like what's stuck in the resin, like if it's going to be stationary. We have it in red, and these are all little foam balls, and we have it in green. And they give you quite a nice amount. Then, okay, we have this little box here with all of these little jars in them. Just gonna take them out of there because I'm gonna have to move them into their new home anyway. So we have hearts. And a little goes a long way when you're working with resin. So you don't have to buy like heaping piles of this stuff to like be able to apply it to a bajillion projects. These are all hearts. guys can see them well enough. And these jars are opening. I love that pretty green. Kind of cool. This magenta kind of color. This marigold kind of color. And last but not least, we have the iridescent white. So super cool. I'm gonna put those in there for now. Hopefully I haven't turned enough. Then I also got these little baggies. Oh my goodness, you guys! I was so excited when I got these because they look like little crystal clear drops, and I have them now, finally, in blue, and they send you quite a bit. I have it in baby pink, really pretty, super soft pink. I have this one in multicolors and it brings a little bit of everything. And I also have it in the clear. Awesome little set, let me tell you guys. I'm super satisfied. And then if that's not enough stuff, you guys, we also got 2 trays. Now they're both the same, so I'm only going to review the one. And I love the little jars because I've seen so many UV resin projects with these little jars, you guys. They put all kinds of stuff in it. And I'm really excited to give that a try. So let's see if I can bring it up close enough for you guys to be able to discern what they are. So this one right here, they look like little Pac-Man. This right here is gold glitter. This right here might be butterflies of some kind of shape. This one right here is stars. This one is a 4-leaf clover, I think. Little black pearls, like the micro beads or the caviar beads. This is just glitter, silver glitter, gold stars, silver stars, pink, whatever this shape is here, blue hearts, and then like this copperish color kind of glitter. And you get 2 of these, and I'll take one out so that you can see the size of the jar. They're not that big, but they're super cute. You get all this. So you get 12, you get 24 of these little tiny jars. So that's from this one kit. If you're interested in any of this, just comment down below which one of these things that I'm sharing with you guys is your favorite. Here's what this looks like. I'm going to bring out this kit next. Let me go ahead and focus out again. And I haven't opened this. This is the first time I'm looking at everything that's in here. Sorry for the baggage and the crackling. So we have a little box like we did with the previous one. Holy moly, this is a big mold. We have some tassels. I'm going to try to keep those in the bag so they don't get messed up. But super cute. We have some molds. This is of a paw. And this is of a tail. Fish's tail. And really expensive cardstock promotion with some stuff to activate. I'm not sure what that's about. We'll see. Let's see here. There's molds. Has all different kinds of shapes. I think these are supposed to be for like bowls, if I'm not mistaken. So this is supposed to be for like little bowls. This is supposed to be for like a little bow as well, if I'm not mistaken, but you can also use it for like a little dragonfly. And I got it mainly because of the petal shapes. I like these petal shapes and I'm thinking about creating some stuff with them, so I got that for that. Really, really nice and big. This is how it's supposed to go. And then in addition to that, in this kit we got some jump rings, some keychain, There's a little chain attached to them. We got some earring hooks. More silver of the jump rings. We got these bigger keychain. And then we have some cord. So if you wanted to make like jewelry, pendants, and stuff like that with this, you have some stuff to kind of get you started. And then we also got another mixing cup. You can never have too many of these. Love this. And we have the measurements on the side, so we got another mixing cup. And then we have this right here. And let's see what they brought. Let's open this baby up if I can. I think something is open in here. I wish that they would secure these things better because there's stuff everywhere. Okay, so the box is got filthy. Let's throw that box out. Let me get my little wipe here and see. So this is a blue. Okay, you guys, so this is like a blue. This is, I guess, mica color. So we have some mica color in blue. You guys can see that in blue. This is little fishes and like an iridescent purple. Really pretty. These are hearts and like a peachy kind of color. I mean, not hearts, stars. This is like a red pigment. We have some greenish stars here. Some blue ones. Very pretty. And I was bringing them up and you guys aren't able to see them clearly, but with all this mica stuff. This is the purple. We have some gold hollowed out hearts. And this one here, some hollowed out stars in purple as well, like a lavender color. Some mica powder in gold, some mica powder in yellow, and there's hardly anything in here. These things are so empty. Like super empty. Some of them are halfway, some of them are almost empty. So I lost a lot of that product in shipping. But oh well. We're not going to complain over spilt milk. Either way, it's still an awesome set. And I got it for a really good price. We're just going to keep it moving right along. I'm going to put these in here just in case it decides to pop open again. So that's this haul here. Oh, well, these items here. Next on the list is going to be these molds that I got. So this set here brings 2 in a set. And let me try to zoom in a little bit or focus it. So you guys can see. Really nice deep cavity. I'm going to get some really nice deep impressions on here. Super excited to work with this because I have a specific project in mind and I'm going to need candy, candy items and stuff like that to do it. So really, really excited and happy that they sent me 2 because now I get to do double the work half of the time. So super cool for that. And that this mold right here, super in love with. And I'm sorry for the crackling. I'm going to try to get it out in one quick motion. I'm going to have to put that in the Ziploc bag though after I'm done. But oh my goodness, you guys. Look at these darlings. I will have samples for this. Let me know if you guys want to see samples of what these dolls look like. And I'll try to get that together for you guys. Other than that, you're probably going to see them in my next project. I'm so excited to play with this one. This is a nice size mold. This is a really nice size mold. Super excited about these. I think I'm going to use that plastic to put those in there. Alright, so moving right along, what do we have next? What is in here? Okay. In here we have alcohol inks. 4 resin that I got. So you guys know that I received some awesome like stuff from Total, and I'm going to be doing some projects with them. One of those things that I do want to try is the alcohol, like putting it into the resin. I've seen a lot of amazing videos and so many techniques on how to do those things, and I cannot wait to try it. You guys, I'm like going nuts, so just thinking about it. So I got all of these. This one also includes 4 white ones, which 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yep, here they are. So I'm super excited because I'm going to have a lot of white to play with. So be on the lookout for that. And this set brings... Oh, also, they have letters on them. So there's a certain kind of way that you have to use these specific inks. They have a certain density. Like some of these inks sink more to the bottom or stay floating on top. So when you see it from the other side, you see like different depths. So these are like 3D type of inks. I'm super excited to like work with this and see how it works and how it all comes together. I believe this is a 20 piece. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh, is it 18, 19? Maybe it is a 20 piece and I'm just missing one. Let's see. 5, 10. Yeah, so it is the 18. I just miscounted. So I'm super excited to see this. This has basically all of the different colors. We have lemon yellow. The names are on the bottles themselves as well, which is good. So we have purple, regular yellow, black. We know we have the white. We have coffee, green, purplish red. We have peach red, sapphire blue, more white, more white, more white, more white, and red, blue, brown, and orange. So I'll try to swatch these out. Let me know if you guys want to see a swatch on the alcohol inks. Like any of these things that you want to see a video on, just let me know down below if you want to see like the samples for the molds, or if you want to see like the swatches for the alcohol inks. Let me know, and then in that video I'll link all of the stuff that I need to link up if I haven't done so in this video. Okay, the next thing up is Silicone Mold Rubber by Resin. I'm going to be giving this product a try because I ran out of my other one, and depending on how I like it, then I might get like the larger stuff or other products, depending, we'll see. So I'm going to be making some molds for some designs that I'm working on, so I'll be sharing those soon. So that's what this is for, and it's by Resin. And then last but not least is a scale that I purchased, a digital scale, so that I can go ahead and weigh, the resins and all the different materials and stuff that I'm working with. So it's this little kitchen digital scale right here. So you guys, I'm super excited. Cannot wait to share with you my upcoming projects for all of these awesome goodies that I purchased. Definitely tune in if you haven't subscribed, so please do so. Let me know in the comment section down below which of this is your favorite out of the stuff, or what you're more interested in seeing. I will greatly appreciate that. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.